The Michelangelo Pots and Pans Set, 10-piece, is like a helpful friend in your kitchen. It has many pieces. These include pots and pans of different sizes. You also get some cooking tools with the sets. This Michelangelo Pots and Pans Set, 10, can help you make lots of yummy food. The white granite nonstick surface is a great feature. Food does not stick easily to these pans. This makes cooking easier. Cleaning up after dinner is also simpler. You can cook things like omelets without them sticking. The Michelangelo Pots and Pans Set, 10, helps save time in the kitchen. These pots and pans are made so they can last. They are also easy to use. This Michelangelo Pots and Pans Set, 10, could be a good choice for your cooking supplies. It is a practical set for making comida at home. It might not take you to Mexico, and it is not a Kindle, but it will help with your daily cooking. Pros: non-stick surface, easy to clean, includes utensils, stylish white granite 10-piece set. Good value, durable build, heats evenly, versatile use, PFOA-free. Cons: lids are quite thin, handles need tightening, coating can wear off, may lose. Non-stick lids might be fragile, wish for more weight, not actual stoneware, coating may not last. Features: Michelangelo Pots and Pans 10-piece set, white granite, non-stick, cookware, utensil set. Durable, easy to clean, stylish design. The Michelangelo 10-piece pots and pans set is a durable and easy to clean cookware collection with a stylish white granite nonstick surface. This set includes both pots and pans, along with useful kitchen utensils. The non-stick coating helps food slide off easily and makes cleanup simple. The white granite design gives the cookware a nice look, making it a practical and attractive addition to any kitchen. This 10-piece Michelangelo Pots and Pans set has a white granite nonstick surface, which makes it easy to cook and clean. It comes with useful kitchen tools and looks nice with its white granite style. For the price, it seems like a good deal and is built to last, heating food evenly and working for different kinds of cooking. It's also good to know it doesn't have harmful chemicals called PFOs. However, some people might find the lids to be too thin and the handles might need to be tightened sometimes. The non-stick coating might wear off over time and could lose its stickiness, and the lids might break easily. Some users wished the pots and pans were heavier and pointed out that they are not made of real stoneware, and the coating might not last a very long time.